can you guess what important element is inside this box for the Beetle?
This one they put between the wheels for train.
Wow, that is so cool. Without further ado, let's open it up. Woo! And here it is, everybody. Let me know if you guessed what it is. Otherwise, I'm going to talk you through exactly what is inside this box. So I am at Pro Auto Rubber, and here is Fatty. Gonna walk through exactly what's in this box and how it's gonna transform the Beetle. But before we do that, I wanted to find out what are the craziest cars Fatty had seen.
Some of the weird cars I've done, there's a guy in Victoria when I worked there, he had an old Tommy they made up and it looks like a blue bull wagon.
Cool.
Everything was just blue bulls. The SA Hot Rod.
Yes.
They used to buy rubbers from us, they still do in the Victoria branch.
Wow.
A lot of Cortinas, but here is a lot of Cortinas.
But let's get back to the most important car.
Welcome, Jay.
Thank you.
We got you a lucky packet here.
Come on.
Let's see what you got here. So first we're going to kit you out with the front windscreen rubber. Then you got your rear windscreen rubber. We have the door seal. This is your scraper rubber. You know where the scraper rubber goes. It goes on the side of the door where your window runs up and down in. Fender well, that is the rubber that you put between your fenders and the body of the vehicle. Light to body, so that actually in that groove you'll fit your light in there. Your light, actually the lens of the your tail lamp and your front indicators.
Wow.
Engine lid seal that slides into the groove in the engine.
Very cool.
This is the body to pan rubber.
Jeez, that's solid, eh?
Your Beetle engine lid seal. On your side windows. So this is empty. The lucky packet is empty here, but I got something very interesting for you. I'm sure you didn't bargain on this.
Yeah, I didn't know what that was, to be honest. That's why I moved it off.
This is for your runners next to the vehicle.
It goes over it.
Yes. So
No
this,
way! So cool. So cool. I was not expecting this. Once again, a massive thank you to Pro Auto Rubber KZN. But I wanted to see what other crazy stuff they have.
Jade, what we've done is we've teamed up with a factory that do manufacture radiator hoses.
Wow.
So obviously you get your standard hoses, your straights, your 90 degrees, your 45s.
100%.
But like this customer, he brought it in, it's for an old Ford Fairlane.
Wow.
So what he did is he brought me his samples. I sent it to the factory and we actually
Mold to
manufactured this.
check it out.
This is the range for mostly Buckies.
Any make, any model.
Well, what we've done, we've made universal ones.
Very
So
cool.
like this one would fit on the Hilux.
Very
It will
cool.
fit on the Nissan hard bodies. But there's all different shapes
It can be.
because you get aftermarket flares, aftermarket fenders that the guys put on. Jade, a new range that we started, this is different board clips, panel clips,
Is this for like panels?
door
Door
panels,
cards.
and those type of things. Yeah.
Very cool.
So it's a new range, it's stocked all across our branches, as well as engine mountings.
Jeez.
So you
What's
get a
that made
whole lot of from rubber.
Juice! That's rubber.
Yeah.
That thing's heavy. That's just solid rubber.
Yes.
Jeez, that's solid.
So you get them in various sizes from tiny little ones,
Wow.
which they use in the microlights, they use in the hobby racing cars,
No way.
up to V6 engine mountings.
I I think you guys get it. There's pretty much nothing they don't make out of rubber, including all of these crazy parts, massive mud flaps, and this.
This one they put between the wheels for train.
Wow, that is so cool. And they're currently running a special on these mats for your gym or garage. Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Very different and so much on offer here at Pro Auto Rubber. Massive thank you to Ferdy, massive thank you to Stephan and the guys here for helping with this build. Please check out their socials, their links down below.
Jade, just a pleasure. Anytime.
Thank you so much.